This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cargo tie-downs, dusk-sensing headlights, a 4-wheel independent suspension, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.